Everyone, hope everything's going well. All right. Look at the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is crazy today, up almost $4,000. It's going to be volatile, no doubt. Here's the thing. Bitcoin is about what, $10,000 away from its all-time highs. And I like looking at from fundamental analysis point of view. Bitcoin had that surge when interest rates were negative. All right. You see negative interest rates a couple of years ago. And then once it went up, right when the stock market bottomed, right? You started to see what Bitcoin was $15,000, $16,000, and now where it's at. Bitcoin is $55,000, and we have positive interest rates. Looking at the 5-year tips, it says what, close to 2%. That's ridiculous. Okay, because alternative assets tend to do well in negative interest rate environment, and this is doing pretty well in a positive interest rate environment. Bitcoin is in a bubble. However, I wouldn't be surprised. Don't invest or speculate based on what I'm saying, but I wouldn't be surprised if the insane move happens when these rates go negative. Okay. And I've speculated as a disclosure in Mara. It has exposure to Bitcoin, right? And I also have exposure to Coinbase. At one point, I did have exposure to MicroStrategy. I hate myself because I got in like close to $200, and then it went to like the 120 something, and then rose up to like 300 something last fall. And I'm like, you know what? I don't feel comfortable having this much exposure in my portfolio with this option because it's volatile, it's going up, it's going down, and then I was getting beaten up on the option position, even though I was still net positive. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go to Coinbase. $72, $80, whatever a share. What happened was right when I went to Coinbase, MicroStrategy just popped. You had the geopolitical events happen, and that's when Bitcoin started its next move higher. And what's quite interesting is I don't, like I said, I think we're in a bubble, but I think this could go crazy. I'm going to fast forward to like a couple of years ago. Let's look at Mara, right? In summer is 23 of 2021, $23, and it spiked up like 6 months, $75. So it basically 3x in 6 months. That's an insane move. And if you look at this, um, you know, this is while rates were still negative, right? And then it popped in what, November. Okay. Right. This was an insane move. Look at this, $10 December of 2020. This is like sports cards, man. February, it went 7x, man. 7 times to 71, it topped out. Okay, right now, what is right? Is it what? $17? 17.37. Okay. Mara is 29. What if Bitcoin goes bananas? I think it's starting in that banana phase, and these rates go negative. Dude, it could be like sports cards. I don't know how many of you followed sports cards in 2020, late 2020, early 2021, before the economy opened back up. It was insane. Look at MicroStrategy stock today. It was up $100. Talk about Nvidia, man. MicroStrategy. Holy moly, man. Back over $800. Like I said, I'm going to look at MicroStrategy, Coinbase. This could go insane. And look at what happened 2020, right? It's like $300 a share in December, around there, right? Within a few months, it topped out at like 1,034. Shorting these stocks is insane. is probably not. I'm not telling you what to do. I would not be shorting Bitcoin right now. I may buy a leap put down the road, but I'm gonna wait because I still expect an insane move. But with these insane moves, you see insane volatility. So, anyways, let me know what your thoughts are. Exposed to Bitcoin. Are you speculating Bitcoin, investing in Bitcoin? Let me know and talk to you later. See ya. Bye.